Today we will be making enough masks for the whole family only using tools found around your home. You will need one large white shirt, scissors, a pen, 2 hair ties for each mask, I needed 8, and a ruler. We will start by making marks every 3 inches on the shirt. I needed to make 4 marks, but this number may change depending on how many masks you are making. Then, you could start the cut on the shirt and use the ruler to help make sure your initial line is straight. It is easiest if you tape one end of the shirt to the table to help keep the shirt tight as you cut. Repeat this process until you have your desired amount. Now take a piece of the shirt and lie it out flat. Put a hair tie about 1/3 of the way in on each side and fold inwards like so. And you're done! You now have enough masks for your whole family and it only cost you 1 shirt. If you are up for it, you can even give the mask a little design. Although these masks are not as practical and my designing skills are not the best, it is important to know that masks like these ones are going to stop the spread of the coronavirus. It is also important to know that masks like these will not make you invincible to the virus. The best way to protect yourself is to stay at home and social distance. Reporting for Temple Update in Doylestown, PA, I'm Erik Coombs.